How to hide active status on Facebook Messenger for a specific person. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'll show you the quick way to hide active status on Facebook Messenger for a specific person. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Facebook Messenger app on a device. Update your application and log into your account. Now, locate any particular chat or specific person's chat where you want to hide your active status. Open the chat and tap on the profile at top of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Read Receipts. So, Read Receipt has been turned on. So, if it is turned off, then Saksham will be able to see when you have read their messages. If it is toggled off, then they won't be notified that you have read their messages. So, even being online, if you read their messages, but they won't be notified that you already have seen or read their messages. So by toggle it off, you can easily hide active status on Facebook Messenger for a specific person. So in this way, I hope you will solve your issue. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.